Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you need to find, guys, where the spare fuses are located, you have usually about 4 of them. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. Spare fuses, where you can expect to find them, guys. We will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You will, guys, have multiple fuse boxes. The first one, okay, is under the hood on the driver's side. When you open the hood, when you open it, it looks like this one. The other fuse box is under the dash. If you look upside down on the left side, on the bottom of the dash, under that white cover, you have more fuses. And that's actually facing on the front. That same fuse box has 4 hidden fuses here. But now, guys, okay, where are actually the spare fuses? We need to open the hood. Again, under that cover here, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, which fuses we will need to check, okay, for spare fuses. If you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below. That way you will not waste your money and time. And the spare fuses, guys, if you look through the whole fuse box, okay, check this thing out, you will be looking, okay, towards the front right side. These 4 fuses right here, those are spare fuses, guys. These 4 fuses here, if you're looking for a spare fuse and you're in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.